There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits, or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.
First thing I want to talk about is, all right, my 10K account had gotten into some trouble for a little. We had gotten in some drawdown. We started hitting stop losses since August, really. We were just railing stops, making money back, railing stops again, making money back. As of today, we swung. We got out of all the drawdown. We got out of all the trades, and once again have successfully came out of a crappy situation. Actually, this hasn't even updated. Refresh this because this profit is higher. Here's, if you ever need to manually adjust profit on an account or make it show profit, here's how you do it. You just go here. We're going to go to broker, verification. We're going to hit connect. And it's going to reconnect, and this will update my numbers on my MyFX book. So bear with me a minute. And any minute we should be connected. And all right, let's go take a look at the results here. And what do you know? We have almost made back all the losses entirely. Came out of the drawdown. We are at 95% profit. We were at 107. So, as you can see, back from a bench we had since we started on this account. So, I'd say to lose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Losing 1 out of 15 is pretty good. Our profit factor is still above 2. And we have won 79% of those trades. I mean, you find me an EA that's 79% profitable, has caught 7,352 positive pips. This, as you can see, this thing is just absolutely incredible. No matter what happens, even when we get into volatility, we get into weird situations, it doesn't matter. This is trading. There's going to be losing months. We took some losing months. We made it back. And, you know, I think everybody should experience this themselves. And we've experienced it in the past as well on other accounts where we've taken losing months and then made it all back. And it's just a part of the process. Sometimes you're going to take a loss every once in a while, and that's only natural that that's going to continue to happen as you go in your trading journey. Losses are inevitable. Let's take a look at the chat here. All right. So now that we've shown you that, you know, I wanted to show that things are swinging, trades are swinging. EuroCAD is what just did this for us. Closed it all out, and it ran it right back. Absolutely was incredible to see. Once again, GearBox recover from a situation. As always, that is always our goal. We've kept the drawdown under 22% on this account, even with things massively trending against us. You know, there's a lot of EAs on the market, but GearBox is very special, in my opinion. When we take a look at the one pair data, you can see this week we've done 7.2% between all the accounts here. Always good to show all of the one pair data accounts and how they're doing. absolute gain. USD CAD is on top for absolute gain, tied with GBP AUD. Pretty incredible to see as well. You know, watching accounts double themselves on one pair. Really, I mean, let's take a look at this. This is a USD CAD account. Has been running since October 26th of last year, so we're talking 13 months here. And this account on one pair by itself almost doubled on a $500 account. I mean, and guess what? Yes, it had a losing month too. It also had a barely profit month before, but this is one pair. You know, so it's just it's very important and valuable to be able to see this stuff. And what do you know? It won 78% of all the trades it took on USD CAD. You know, so I love the one pair data. I love people being able to see the power in GearBox, how it performs in all market conditions. It's very, very powerful software, and I think we're going to continue to optimize and make many enhancements to it because we've only seen ways to make it better. But really, so far, it has stood the test of time as it is. If we did not make any more updates to this software for the near future, I would tell you there's no problem. It's going to continue to run. It has everything really built into it needs. We just need to make a few more enhancements and adjustments to continue to make it even better. And we're going to continue to do that. So I appreciate every single one of you that tunes into these calls, comes in live with us and works with us to really provide data, experience, and thought processes for us and how we can continue to make this product even better. See, we haven't taken a trade on GBP USD since October 4th, but GBP USD has been a hitter by itself on 80% of trades. So, you know, it's really incredible to have algos that can flip money. Or what I tell everybody, if you can double your money every year with this algo, you have a winning strategy. The top hedge funds in the world that report their numbers publicly report a 55% a year return for their investors. And on your own with GearBox, you can be doing more than that. So, you know, it's very, very powerful to see. Any questions, go ahead and throw them in the chat box. Let me know how I can best serve you today. Otherwise, you know, I do want to let everybody get back to their families. There's not too much for us to talk about today, as many people I see are hidden take profits, swinging, trades are swinging. I saw a lot of excited people posting their profits in some of the pages. So I know it's been a great week, especially a great day today. You know, we had a lot of red folder news that is going in many people's direction. So with that being said, let's take a look at Forex Factory here and take a look at the week ahead. So going into the week ahead here, you can see Monday, we have Canadian red folder. We have a USD Fed Chair Powell Speaks red folder. Going into Tuesday, we have Canadian red folders. We also have another Fed Chair Powell Testifies. We have AUD GDP. Wednesday, we have ADP Non-Farm Employment Change. We again have Fed Chair Powell testifying. We have ISM Manufacturing PMI. And then on Thursday, we have OPEC JMMC meetings. As well, we have lots of red folders for Canada and USD, as well as NFP on Friday. So, yes, it looks like it'll be a great first week of December with some volatility for us to get in some trades and make some more profits. Again, most EA providers, they try to avoid red folder news. For us here with GearBox, we like red folder news. Red folder news is our friend. Please continue to embrace the red folder news and give it to us, so that we can continue to benefit from these large swing trades that GearBox finds for us in these moments of extensions. But with that being said, I appreciate every single one of you who tuned in here this morning on this Friday. I know you could be anywhere in the world. Again, happy Thanksgiving. I hope you all had a great yesterday with your family and an amazing holiday weekend ahead for those of you visiting family or visiting friends and family. And grateful for all of you. Appreciate you all and the time you've put into helping me make GearBox a better product. And I look forward to continuing to advance it for every single one of you. But with that being said, I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day and another amazing holiday weekend ahead. Thank you all.